Hey, what's up? Welcome back to another video. And if you're into hustle, and yes, people, the Monday grind continues. Now, we got an awesome watch face to check out that's in the Gear Manager store. I paid $1 for it, and you know I need to know, was this a download or leave it right where it's at? Now, the name of the watch face is called Carbone 2. Definitely, it's a nice look for a digital watch face. I thought the developer did a really great job with the design as well. In the AOD mode, you're thinking you're going to get a digital time. No, you will get a traditional analog look, which isn't bad at all. But once the watch face is on, again, the design and the layout is nice. Everything is very legible. You get stacked digital time with animated seconds. Next to it, you're going to get the days of the week. It will be highlighted in red to let you know exactly what day of the week it is. And right up under it, you will get your date. Now, to the left of that, you will get your year and the month as well. And over here, you will get your shortcuts, which isn't bad at all. Now, the only deal about this is temperamental. So again, hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know what you think of this one. But once you can get it to go, you can go into your S Health. You can make a phone call, and you can get your text messages as well. So I thought it was a good look, but on top of it all, which really makes this a nice one to download, if I double tap, I can change the theme that's in the background, and they all look nice. So what do you think, people? Hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know your thoughts on this digital watch face. And with that, that's going to be the end of the video. Hit the like button on the way out. And if you haven't subscribed, subscribe to the channel. And continue, people. Continue to grind hard. And it will be over with soon. Take care, and I'll see you all at the next one.